Welcome to English Treasure. What am I? I have scales on my legs. Scales. I hatched from an egg. Egg. I was born on land, but I live in the water. Born. I hide when I am scared. Hide. I carry a shell on my back. Shell. What am I? I have scales on my legs. I hatched from an egg. I was born on land, but I live in the water. I hide when I am scared. I carry a shell on my back. I am a turtle. I am a turtle. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you learned from it, share it with your friends. And if you loved it, subscribe to the channel.